Welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Today we are going to go through chair pose, which is called Utkatasana, meaning fierce pose or awkward pose. And I know you'll definitely be with me on the awkwardness. So we're going to stand, feet flush together. So really press the insides of the feet together. Send energy through the feet. So just have a little glance down at your feet. Just like we did in Utkatasana mountain pose, lift the toes. From your baby toe, spread your feet really wide and allow each toe to press down. So you've got that energy, you've got that lifting from the ground up. Now start to bend the knees and send your weight back, just as if you were sitting on a chair. Weight comes all the way back and you start to reach the arms forward. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Now, this is very easy to just land here and lift the heart, get everything really tight in the spine. No space at all. So can you, from this space, tuck the tailbone and really scoop the navel towards the spine? The front ribs pull in and the heart is lifted. Inner thighs are spiraling in. Everything is really, really going on. There's a lot happening, hence the fierce and awkward. Roll the shoulders down the spine. Let your neck be really lovely and long and allow your neck to be just lengthening part of the spine going all the way up. So nothing cranking, nothing dropping, one long beautiful line. Can you drop just a little lower? Now bring your weight into your heels and lift your toes. Just feel that weight distributing behind you. Now place your toes back down. We're going to start to come up onto the balls of our feet, sending our heels high, squeezing the heels, squeezing the inner thighs together. Keep rolling the shoulders. My balance is so off, so keep squeezing, keep lifting. We'll take a big breath, inhale. And exhale. One more, inhale. And exhale, bring the heels all the way down. Start to lengthen the legs, send the fingertips all the way up and overhead. Just take a little break here. Fingertips are reaching, energy all the way up. Exhale, bring the hands down to your heart center. Roll the shoulders and just really press the front body forward. So you've got this space all the way in the hip flexors. We're gonna go for just a little round two. So roll the shoulders, energy out of the feet, bend the knees, and start to bring your weight into your heels. Coming back just as if you were sitting into a chair. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Tailbone from here starts to tuck underneath you, and you lift all the way through the front body, rolling the shoulders down the spine. Now we're just going to start to take a little spinal twist here. So bring the hands down to the heart center. Inhale, lift the heart forward, create space. As you exhale, start to dial the heart towards the right. The left elbow meets the left thigh. You sit a little lower. And inhale, lift the heart towards the hands. Exhale, start to twist towards the right. The bum is staying low. The knees are squeezing in, and just glance down at your toes. Can you still see your toes over your knees? Has your left knee crept forward? Can you just squeeze the left knee back, the left hip back to stay in alignment? Keep inhaling to lengthen the spine, and exhale, just soften into your space here. Take one more breath, inhale. As you exhale, bring it all the way back round through center. Fingertips come out, take a breath, inhale. Exhale, hands come back to the heart center. Inhale, lift the spine. Exhale, start to dial it round towards the left now. Right elbow meets the outside edge of the left leg. Inhale to lift. Exhale, encourage the heart towards the hands. Again, glance down at your knees. Has your right knee crept forward? Can you squeeze it back? Keep the hips and knees in alignment. Take another breath here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. As you exhale, bring it all the way back round through center. Lengthen through the fingertips. And inhale, bring it all the way up to Utkatasana. Exhale, hands come down through the heart center. Roll the shoulders. Feel your legs, your thighs working hard. I told you it was definitely called awkward pose for a reason. And just bring the hands down. And that is your chair pose, Utkatasana, with a revolving twist. Have a lovely day. I'll see you tomorrow.